Hopefully this looks good. I can't see anything right now. Hey, that does not look bad. Oh, I'm surprised. Hey guys, it's Ryleigh, and today's video is another hairstyle video. I don't know why I said another hairstyle video because I have not done one of these in forever. I don't know about you guys, but I get pretty bored of keeping my hair curly and straight every single day. So I'm going to be showing you guys a few different hairstyles that you can do on your hair, and they're super cute, super simple, and yeah. And I am no professional at hair, just so y'all know, because I may do a braid and I think it looks amazing, but it really could be like a 2.8 on a scale of 1 to 10. But with all of that aside, let's get started. This first hairstyle is probably the easiest, so to all of my girls out there that aren't the best at hair, this one's for you. Instead of using a normal hair tie, I'm going to use a scrunchie because I love scrunchies. So I'm just going to use this watermelon one because I think it's cute. Pretty much all you're gonna do is take the top half of your hair and just section it off like this. And when I do this hairstyle, I don't like it to look very polished, so I will just take my fingers and run through my hair. After I do that, I'm just going to take my hair and twist it around my finger, if I could get that. So I'm just going to twist it and then wrap it around. I'm just wrapping my hair around itself like this. And then I'm going to take my scrunchie and tie it off. And then your hair will look like this. I think it's super cute, but sometimes I don't dig the way it looks. So instead, I will take this out, 1 second, and instead of twisting my hair and wrapping it around itself, I will do like the loop ponytail thing. So I will just start to put my hair into a ponytail, and then when I get to the last loop, I'm not gonna pull my hair all the way through, so I'll just kind of go like that. And this is how it looks. I think it's very cute and laid back, nothing special. So yeah, that is hairstyle number 1. Well, that was kind of 2, but it's fine. For the second hairstyle, instead of calling them space buns, I call them the Princess Leia buns. So if it is not already obvious, instead of putting our buns up here, we're going to put them down here. To start off, I'm just going to split my hair into 2 sections like this, and if you want to put your hair down the middle, that's totally fine. It's up to you. I'm just gonna keep it at my normal part. So I'm going to take this side of my head and just start to twist it. This is pretty much like what we did in the last hairstyle, but obviously not on the top of our head. Once you're finished wrapping your hair around itself, you're just going to take your ponytail holder and tie it off. After you do 1 bun, you can go ahead and move on to the second bun. So again, you're just twisting your hair and wrapping it around itself so it can form this cute little bun. And there you have your Princess Leia buns. I think they're super cute, and they're also super fast, so if you're running late in the morning, this can be your go-to hairstyle if you want. Moving on to the next hairstyle, I'm going to start off by sectioning off the top half of my hair like this. And then I'm going to take a little rubber band. Yes, I know it's not clear, but it works. And then I'm just going to tie my hair in the back like this. Now that your hair is tied off in the back, this is the fun part, so you can choose whatever type of braid you want. So if it's just a normal braid, or a fishtail braid, or a sixth strand braid, is that even a braid? I don't know. You can do that on this part of your hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a fishtail braid because I think that will be cute. So if you do not know how to do a fishtail braid, I'm gonna show you. So what you're gonna do is you're going to split your hair in 2, and then you're going to take a little piece of hair from this side and then cross it over to the other side like so. And then you're gonna take another little piece from this side and then cross it over to this side. And I know it seems so much more complicated than a normal braid, but when you get to do it more and more, it's easier than a normal braid. Hopefully this looks good. I can't even see anything, so if it looks bad, don't judge. I'm gonna turn back around. Sorry. I'm going to stop the braid about halfway down, and then I'm going to take a little hair tie and just tie it off. And after I tied the braid off, I'm just going to go ahead and pancake this braid. If you don't know what pancaking means, it pretty much just means to pull the braid apart so it looks bigger and thicker. Alright, I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see it. So this is what it looks like. I think it's very pretty, and it looks like beachy, if you know what I'm talking about. Alright, on to the next hairstyle. This hairstyle has been one of my go-tos since about the 5th grade, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by doing 2 Dutch braids, and if you do not know how to Dutch braid, it's pretty much a French braid but in reverse. But don't worry, I will show y'all how to do it. I'm going to start off with a little section of my hair like this, just like we're going to start a French braid. I'm going to split it into 3. I'm going to take this section of hair and add more hair to it, and instead of crossing it over to start a French braid, we're going to cross it under. Then I'm going to take this piece, add more hair, and instead of crossing over, we're going to cross under. You're just going to repeat this method throughout the braid. I know it seems super complicated, but I think it's easier than a normal French braid. After the braid is done, I'm going to take a little hair tie and tie it off, and then we're going to move on to the next braid. I suck at doing Dutch braids on the right side of my head, so if it looks bad, I apologize in advance. Hopefully this looks good. I can't see anything right now. Hey, that does not look bad. Oh, I'm surprised. Now that we have both braids done, I'm going to go ahead and pancake them both. Now I'm going to turn around so you guys can see what I'm doing a little bit better. So, I'm just going to take a hair tie. Sorry, this is weird. And I'm going to gather all my hair into the back like this. And you can do a messy bun if you want, but I'm just going to do this little twist around bun that I have been showing you guys. And there you have it. That is what it looks like. And if you want, you can go ahead and pull out some pieces. That is what I like to do because I think it looks cute. This last hairstyle is probably my favorite and one of the easiest. So what you're gonna need is your favorite headband or bandana. To start off this hairstyle, I'm going to take some dry shampoo because I want a lot of texture in this hairstyle, and also my hair is greasy, so I'm just going to add some dry shampoo into my hair. Even if your hair is dry, you can totally go and add some dry shampoo for some extra volume and texture. Now that my hair is absolutely crazy, I'm going to take the headband and put it on like so. Alright, now that the headband is on and I look like a total idiot, we're going to move our hair to the side and just do a normal braid. And if you want, you can totally do a different braid. I just like the way a normal braid looks. I'm going to braid my hair down until there's about this much left and then tie it off. Okay, so funny story, my camera decided to stop recording and I didn't even notice, so I'm sorry about that, but the only thing that you guys missed is I just pulled the braid apart and made it a lot more messy. So yeah, anyways, back to the video. Alright, so this is what it looks like with the headband, and I think it is absolutely adorable. So now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the bandana on. So I'm just going to put it on just like how the headband was. I'm just going to tie the bandana so it has this cute little knot on top. And then this is what the bandana looks like. It's super cute. It's very similar to the headband, but it just kind of gives it a different effect. Alright, and there you guys have it. There are 5. Did I just do 5 hairstyles? I don't even know how many I just did. I'm just gonna say I did 5 hairstyles, so if it's wrong, I'm sorry. There you guys have 5 super cute and easy hairstyles that you guys can do. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big, fat, huge, amazing, fabulous thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed, you should totally hit that subscribe button down below to become a part of the Lovely fam, which is the best fam. Alright, I love you all so very much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah!